Good day, good people. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to Travel with GoodDay.com. Good Day Travel. If you're not booking with us for your travel needs, what are you doing? Again, I'm Marche Edwards, and I'm honeymooning at the Atelier Playa Mujeres. We are staying in a junior suite king in room 2240. Again, that's 2240. Yes. Come take a look inside. Once you enter the room, you have these sliding doors that can close or open your bathroom. You do have a full size tub. You have the double sinks. You have a full size shower with a large ceiling shower head. You also get the luxury brand, the Malton Brown aromatherapy soap and lotion, and they smell amazing. You do have the water closet right here to your left. You also are greeted with a king size bed, your own closet with a mirror. You get the robe, slippers, ironing board, and urn. And to top it all off, yes, you get the full size TV, but you also get snacks. You also get snacks that is refreshed daily. Your view is at the poolside area. So you have a view of all the happenings down here. You literally have a view of the pool swim up suite. I mean, at the pool bar. So you can view the pool bar all day, and you can literally go downstairs and access the pool bar, the restaurants, so on and so forth. Amazing, isn't it? Gorgeous. So if you're looking for your next honeymoon destination wedding, or group trip, or hell, even a girl's trip, hit me up at travelwithgoodday.com. Again, that's travelwithgoodday.com. And this is the Atelier Playa Mujeres. I'm your favorite travel agent, Marche Edwards. I'll talk to you soon.